5 Trigger factors that cause eczema. Eczema is a condition where patches of skin become inflamed, itchy, red and cracked. The 3 potential causes of eczema are genetic mutations, immune system disorders and factors that cause the skin to become dry. Here are 5 trigger factors that can cause eczema to become worse. Number 1, irritants. Products or natural substances such as soap, shampoo, body wash, laundry detergent, disinfectants. Juice from fresh fruit, dairy products, meats, pollen, or dust mites can cause our skin to burn, itch, dry or red when we touch them. Number 2, stress. Our body releases a hormone called cortisol when we are under stress. When dealing with chronic and ongoing stress, cortisol increases inflammation throughout the body. This can lead to skin inflammation and an eczema flare. Number 3, climate and sweating. Many people with eczema become itchy when they sweat, or get too hot. This can happen when we exercise or wear too many clothes to bed. During the cold winter months, our skin may also get too dry, leading to irritation and an eczema flare-up. Number 4, infection. Bacterial and viral infections of the skin can bring on eczema flares. Bacteria can secrete toxins into the skin, sparking an immune reaction, which prompts inflammation. Number 5, hormones. Women can experience eczema when their hormone levels are changing during pregnancy or menopause. Due to a drop in estrogen, the skin loses water and is not able to maintain moisture. This can lead to dryness and make eczema worse. Click the link in the description to learn how to cure eczema naturally, and thank you for watching.